this little tool, it's called our socket tester, is a great little tester just to put your mind at ease that your power boards and power points are earthed correctly. And I just have to let you know, I've been doing earthing now for 6 years, and in that time, I think we've come across 3 that weren't earthed through my customers and 1 through myself. Now, one problem I had was the power point was loose where I was staying in a resort, and when I took my tester with me, and when I tested it, it just said it wasn't earthed, so therefore I just didn't use that power point. So little things like that it can help with. So basically all you have to do is find your power board or power point. Now I'm just using a power board because it's a bit hard to get down on the floor. And have it plugged in. This must be on, so your power must be on, or you must flick the switch on. So basically all you've got to do is pop it in to your power board or power point. If it's a power point, turn it on, and you'll see that the 3 orange lights are on there. Now those 3 orange lights mean everything's okay, your power point's fine, and yep, go ahead and use your earthing products. Now if one of those are off, there's a little legend up here that tells you what's wrong. It'll tell you there's no earth, or there's no neutral, or whatever. So if that happens, basically don't use that power point or power board. And if it happens all throughout the house, unfortunately you will have to use a dedicated ground rod that we can supply as well, that runs under your door or out your window into the earth. But if it does happen, I would certainly be getting my electrician out to check your wiring, because it could, in the long run, it could damage other electrical appliances or even damage you. So you don't want that happening. So just a little tool to have. As I said, not necessary, but if you're a checker and you like checking things, I really like it to check on my power boards I'm using, because, you know, these can be laying around your house for years, and these would be the most likely thing an earth wire could maybe become loose. So therefore, you know, it'd be really good to check if you're using a lot of these around with your earthing products.